What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan and today we're going to be going to one of the dopest car shows that happens only one time a year here in Las Vegas, and that's Supras in Las Vegas. So if you want to see the car show and check out all the cars, stick around. So the reason why Supras in Vegas is so cool is because it's a car show that lasts an entire weekend. We're only going to go to one part of it, which is the show and shine part. And it's actually hosted at Speed Vegas, which is going to be really exciting. Speed Vegas is a driving experience company here in Las Vegas. So there's going to be tons of supercars around. There's also going to be cars on track, which I know we're all going to be excited to see. But the reason why I think this year is going to be extra cool is because the new Supra just came out recently. So this year they should have old Supras, they should have new Supras, and I'm sure there's going to be a bunch of other JDM cars there too. And so that's part of the reason why I want to go to the show, to see all the cars. But also there's a couple cars that I want to see, like TJ Hunt's new body kit. He just brought his car. So yeah, I'm excited to go see what other cars we can find over there. And I'm actually running late, so let's get to it. Alright, so we just arrived and there are already so many cars just in the parking lot. I just can't even believe it. So we got a lot to see and I'm excited to show you. Seen more Mark IV Supras in one place in my entire life. This is just ridiculous. This is like Need for Speed, Fast and Furious brought to life. It's like I'm in a video game or something. To be honest, there's a lot going on. It's a little bit overwhelming, but so many cars, like it's just endless. If I was gonna do a Mark IV Supra, I'd do it just like this one. Check it out. So by far one of my favorite looking cars of this whole show is definitely TJ Hunt's Supra he's got. There's some other cars that have some crazy turbo builds, which I'll get to in a little bit, but this one's just absolutely sick and you gotta check it out. All this titanium work is just absolutely insane. Maybe one day I'll be able to get some titanium going, but hey, maybe soon. Maybe soon I'll buy some tester pieces and we'll give it a go, but man, this just looks so cool. This thing is not what you typically see on the road, but it is super sick. Look at this thing, it is aggressive. Alright, so we just got done. I've got back in the Datsun. And, you know, all those 1,000 horsepower Supras are dope and everything, but there's nothing quite like the adrenaline rush of hoping that your car actually turns on. So let's see how it goes. Hey, first try. Alright, so that was fun and all, but my pasty white skin is a little bit toasted. I'm a little bit hungry, so I think it's about time we end the video. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming along, and I kind of just did this as like an impromptu video, and I'd never done this at a car show before, so hopefully more of this content, hopefully you guys like it. And if you did, comment down below, like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. I'm just kind of getting into this vlogging thing, so hopefully I can get better at it and give you guys the best content possible. But otherwise, we will see you next time. I feel bad for my girl. She can't come inside.